Hey, what we got here today is a Ford truck. The receptacles that held the light bulbs were just completely rotten and trashed. We were able to get these from a local parts store. The reverse light plug was non-usable, but we'll show you in another video how we made this work and put an LED bulb in really easily. And the problem with these replacement sockets, they want to go with some LEDs. Well, what happens is the side of the LED right here rubs this plastic area, so it actually won't go all the way down in the hole to get it to work. And so what we're going to do, hopefully, is clean this area out a little bit with this burr and see if the bulb will fit then. Okay, so we cleaned it out a little bit, and if you actually look, you can see where there's actually light, a little distance between the either side of the light, and the light is actually on now. It is able for the prongs to line up with the connectors on the back side of the bulb. Okay, what we have here is one of the sockets to the taillight assemblies that we were repairing. And this socket is no good in here. It won't work with any lights. So what I'm going to do is show you how we're going to cut this away so we can use an LED light to fix it. And so I'm going to cut this. You see where that step up is right there. I'm going to cut right on that edge. That way this thing is hollowed out. Okay, we just got done cutting this off, and you can see you see the sparks were what was left of this little ground, and these things are all rusty. You know, you're not going to get any electrical current through there. So basically you can see that's hollow now. I'm going to take this little piece of rusty metal out of there just because. And maybe I'll take it out of there. And once you can clean this up to however much you want, paint it, whatever. And we got these little clear LEDs. They're the 3/4 inch hole for this grommet. We're not going to use that grommet or anything. We're going to take these little bitty LED lights. I think these were about 60 lumens. I think a phone is around 50 or something like that. I don't remember exactly what the lumens were, but it just something to give it some light, make it actually function somewhat anyways. But depending on the amount of lumens is how bright they'll be for you. And this actually fits right in that hole. And there you go. You can install it in your car, put different connector on there if you want, so it's easily serviceable. Pretty easy way to fix these sockets that are very expensive sometimes, or aftermarket ones are fairly cheap, but this particular one is unavailable.